Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the knife tool or the cut tool, we can say, but it's named knife tool because knife cuts cuts some things, okay? For example, we have this where I'm going to open the shortcuts and I will press tab, and here is my knife tool, cut new topology, okay? So I'll click on it and I see, let's cut from here. Let's cut it here. I'll click on this, and when I click it, it doesn't let me to leave it. So what should I do? I should continue, okay? For example, I will click on this. If I want to continue to stop it, I should press enter, okay? I pressed enter and I'm going to press 3 and going to here and clicking on this, and I'll extrude. You see, this is it. This is the knife tool. For example, if I want to press on a shortcut, I'll press on K, okay? Press K, and I will, for example, I will put something here, for example, and something here, and something here, and something here, and something here, and I can still continue, but I don't want, so I'll click enter and I'll press 3 and I'll extrude this one, you see, and this was it. Another thing is that you can press K, let's see, press K and let's click, 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 and enter. You see, it makes something like this. Still, we can extrude this one, but the problem is with the knife tool. We can show the solution in the upcoming lesson, but not right now, okay? So you know that the knife tool is for the cutting the new typology, okay? Shift A, and let's go to the circle, not circle, I mean Shift A, and go to the UV sphere. Let's open it, and you can see again we can go with the knife tool from here or press K. Okay, let me press K and let me see if I can do something like this, and yeah, something like this, and I'll press K and I can press 3. I select them, select, and select them, and I'll not extrude it like this. I'll press Alt E and extrude along normals, and I can do something like this. You saw? Okay, that's it. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.